encourage then address waandamane mpaka na condition afanye ndio unatafuta mpaka kaniambia hapana, unaona umefungwa, nimeingia na funjo. Asante, naambia kama na zaidi ile kichapo hawa heshimua amepigwa executive siwezi kueleza. Na ndio unaona we build the Meru County and the assembly so that the people may are able to benefit and those yourself you are able to. Najua nani atakuwa senator 2027, nani atakuwa MP in every constituency, na nani atakuwa MC na Mheshimiwa Kaduru. Nyinyi ndio wakubwa wa MPs. Tengenezeni mkutano tumweleze zile shida sisi. Vile mama hii kivuli yako naye, wacha kwanza tumpatie nusu ya kwanza. Ile cabinet ameleta tukasema so kutoka hapo sasa nikaona akaanza kwenda kwa kila uwanja akienda huko anasimamisha huyu anasimamisha huyo. Nikakwambia ile shinda waheshimiwa amekula. Tukikuja then you call us. Then a communication was made on a Sunday tukutana kwa mbele ya Stars. Tukaambiwa mkutano umekuwa cancelled. Na tukafanya mkutano His Excellency hakuna dakika moja tumesema tutakuja kukuitika. Na akakuja na tukaongea na yeye na akaelezea waheshimiwa na tukamwambia Dr. Mugwanja hawa chairman wetu pia. Kwa hivyo His Excellency afunuru kidogo ya kufurahisha ambia mtu. Asante. Na sisi hii maspesi ya TV tunanunua. Tunasema sisi ukiguzwa hivi tunatoka. Na His Excellency ni kuombe tu ile watu wametoka mbunge wanaenda wengine wanakuwa maskini sana. Kwa pesa wanaambiwa tutapewa project wanasema hatutaki tukae pamoja. So ningekuomba kwa hisani yako. Tulikuwa tunaongea naye wakati umechaguliwa mara ya pili yake.
Nteto inge na ndege kundi gitigia kithirikari ndene county ya Embu ibaretete mwaka rikienda kwithoba gitethia na bara aciari bao bari nchera utethio bubo ni na njira ya kubarira BC kubacira bya kwera na kinya antu akumama ritamwaniki gatutarire.
Gikundi gitari kia thirikari kiramenyekana ta Children of Imprisoned Parents Empowerment Program kana KOIPEP ni mambiriti muvango wa gutetheria ciana cia avungwa. Ino ni kuona aciari engi mekara njera muno ciana ciao itikoragwa na mundu wa kumatwara cukuru kumagurira gia kuria wana kana mundu wa kumatara niguo metheme na mitangiko ya meciria.
Isiwe ya kwamba mzazi anapewa ghadhabu kule ama analekebishwa kule, lakini mtoto wake naye anakuja kuwa mkora kwa sababu hakusoma, anakuja kuwa muaji kwa sababu hakuwa na malezi mazuri, anakuja kuwa muovu kwa sababu hakuweza kusoma, hakusaidika. Kwa hivyo inakuwa tunafanya kazi bure, tumevunga mzazi na mtoto anakuja kuwa mwizi ama mkora kwa sababu hakushughulikiwa na jambo lingine. Huo ndio mzigo ule ambao umetupata sisi kama House of Glory Blessed Church kuanzisha mradi huu wa Children of Imprisoned Parents Empowerment Program.
Muvango uyu ukathi vandu vanene gutethereria kunyivanyivia ciiko cia wiki nae iria ciumanaga na ciana iria itareretwe ni aciari yao.
Watoto wazazi wao wamefungwa jela, watoto wao wanaathirika sana huku nje. Sana wanaathirika kimawazo, hawana watu wa kuwashikilia kimawazo. Hao watoto pia katika shule zao unapata hawana wa kuharibia karo. Mavazi yao wakati wengine yanaisha sababu hawana watu wa kuwashika mkono sana sababu hawako karibu na wazazi wao. Tunaomba pia serikali ikapate kuingililia kati, ikaweze kuweka mikakati angalau ikaweze kusaidia hao watoto.
Guku makiura ya thirikari nene gutethereria muvango uyu niguo makinyire ciana makiria.
Ombi langu kwa serikali ni kwamba ikiwa wanaweza kusaidia mashirika kama KOIPE kuweza kujimudu ili kufikia familia kama hizi ambazo tunaelewa wapendwa wao wanapokuwa wamefungwa wanakosa mahitaji ya kila siku ya kimaisha kama chakula, mahali pazuri pa kuishi, hata katika hali ya kimasomo, tungependelea ikaweze kujitolea kupeana rasilimali zaidi ili familia kama hizi zikapate kujihisi ya kwamba wako katika jamii ambayo ni ya sawa.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, Mbetawarita Mwaniki wa Musiri. Rukiriro na arua mugambithania munene ndene ya nthiguru ya Kenya Lady Justice Martha Koome na nyuthietie muuma Mugwanja ba maabisa ba kamiti ya uthurania bogoti-ini ciari nikiritaga aria gutigira mitaratara na utungata bwa ciari ni bukwagirithwa na njira njega.
I will discharge all the duties according to law without fear, favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
Allow me to start by congratulating, first of all, the commissioners of the Commission on the Revenue Allocation on your appointment and swearing in as commissioners of the Commission on Revenue Allocation. I always say when I do this that in your hands lies the protection and realization of one of the most transformative features of our 2010 Constitution to ensure that there is equitable allocation of resources to our devolved government, which is at the center of the promise of the transformation of our nation. It is easy for us to appreciate that the work of the Commission on Revenue Allocation is critical for the success of the project of devolved governance. The Commission on Revenue Allocation is therefore intended to be a major facilitator of the realization of our dream of a fair and just state and society, which is really embodied in the 2010 Constitution.
Mwandiki munene kiri kiama kia Basnico Devolution Empowerment Party nwe mugambi manyarano oritie gavana Kawira Mwangaza gutigira na kuthingatira mataro jira kaewa ni atongeria kiri igeria ria kuthiria mpatho ire cithiritwe ikithundia ndene kaunti ya Meru kwayo akethirwa na kagita gakomo muthuri Muriuki gatutarire
karunyaga kejera kwina muto muno kare gukwenja riu ringi ochetha kagagita atia gakwenja ni ndaugire nandera mheshimiwa Kawira gavana manto jaja impeachment yakarega gwita through abwirite kumenyera sana atikeje gucoka kukairi
Ujuni mugambi manyara mwandiki munene kiama kia Basnico DP akia gavana wa Meru kirira nikira kwa gavana Kawira na erekanya ni senate kutoka Meru nikendeta na mbere kutongiria Meru na kabiri kumenyera
kinya president na raugire Kawira gatethiru kotetheria mtu tina makosa na kinya president wangana raugire ugatiri Kawira mbuga tina experience kwa kuonania motion era ya MCS ni eri no rito lakini Kawira karairwe kanya kangia gitatia omba uchinchia mwitire wawe aitanire ngui na atongeria bangi na thikiria mawaitha ya kuma kaja na antu bangi akinya president na ugira bamutetheria na kinya tutwirinde kumutetheria wote tuli opposition lakini onto Meru ni yetu na tuite tuli aja tu tayari kinya tukumutetheria kinya tutuna na kinya senate ni mu advice bwe kama no ya mwira ugwe menyera umenyerie kuritaniria ngui na atongeria bangi na tiga kuyuka ya Meru ukatha Meru ura wathanjeku uiba mwirire buru kinya chama na mwirire amwira tia kwatha Meru ura wathanjeku
kuringana na mugambi manyara augite no monga Kawira akanende na atongirie bangi na kubathikira nikenda kwithwa kuna witina mbere ndene kaunti ya Meru
kinyo kethirwa Kawira atina ume wa gutongeria Meru amikinya rewirite ukinya Kawira ena ume wa kuthikiria atongeria bangi bara bombai kumutara uromba ukinya Meru ara kwende kinya na kiwa giki tukuromba kwa tutikwenda commission Meru katukwenda Kawira athikiria atongeria bangi nonto bena ume bura atinabu na mumero umire ume wa muntu mwigashiko kwa kinya Kawira kwithwa atina ume bubunde uti makosa jaleo uti muntu umba kumenya manto jonde lakini no mwanka witho na ume nagwe bwa kuthikiria bangi ba gutetheria gukuremerwa na une wake Kawira agwire kigerio na kinya ugae au aleka na ugari kana ukakarande kana rungama kana itia kana ina magagetikiria bu na ntukwira getikiria bu
ajana ni mugambi Manyara na ritita mukana Kawira kukeja kwithurwa atithingatira mantu jara kerwa muno ngikirira kiria kaewa ni mutongerio mugongo ire Ruto na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua kiri ngwataniro bakutua katikati ka MCA na kinya MP
unde na hope na nina kirigiro Miru tugeta bwega lakini ndauga uju gwita kwa Miru bwega kana kurega gwita bwega kana gwita tiru ukaringana na uria mweshimwa Kawira Mwangaza agetikiria kuthikiria uria agutaro ni atongeria bangi particularly na ndi president na deputy president bai na mantu jari ku jaja agetikiria uria bakamwira Miru geta bwega na ndankwire akaregana na uria akerwa uria kona akamburia lakini mbiji every kinya muchunguro American ambassador ugire for every decision is a consequence kuwa kauga atitikiri uria akathwa kana uria akerwa umwanka kwithwe kwinai ikanukia agakanukua
ngiripotera Weru weekend mbeta muthuri Muriuki
Katho cia mwanya kirigwa mutegeni tana mbere kurumira Weru Thaa Mugwanja nchokerete nyume kagita gati kuraja na Nteto nkurukio kebebe mutambo Nandi no wikire ntumirie ku ya muchemanio kiatho kana ntubwa gitumio kwenda bukinyira mwingi amona ntumiri cia mathiko kiri Kameme ka Weru FM 96.4 ntuko chionde na chiringi 15 akio kiugo ntumirie ku no urete studio cha Weru FM kirogine Meru mbere ya thaa 11 chiogoro ntuko chionde kana oringe na mbeji 0700 117026 no gatetheka ntumirije kathoma gwa themo chiogoro ontuko ni bwega no ntubagwite na mbere gutugwata mbaru ni batwe Weru bwaku atugukinyirie ntumwe kwari okwende kinya Weru FM 96.4 rumuri rwa Ameru.
Hello my friend.
Hello mdosi.
Yongo umeswara mpesa?
Nafanya shopping kwa muda wote tukutane hapo kwa nyumba. Mdosi.
Hii ni nyumba yangu ama ni nyumba ya nani ndugu zangu?
Hii ni nyumba yako bwana.
It is a surprise. Hizi vitu umepanda ndege ukakuja, umeenda unilonde ama umetoa wapi?
Hizi vitu hawezi ukapata na hawa ndugu zangu. Acha nikuambie mdosi. Ukistaajabu ya Musa, utayaona ya Jackmart Electronics.
Ndio mimi I salute.
Urain tobia utora bia kubyo tumira nyumbana kinyebyo tumira nguene. TV, ufa, home theater, speaker, microphone, fridge, battery, solar, generator, mixer, blender, guitar na intobinge beyond the bia electronics kumaki Jackmart Electronics. Likane toenda se kinyangasi, baiskeli na kinyametha ira setoa coffee table.
Hii TV ni unanga kwa TV.
Hii unapata tu hapa Jackmart Electronics mzee.
Torema wa Kasiongo, Ureshe Kinain, opposite Pretty Fashions. Jackmart Electronics utebyo wenda biura.
Uraigwa nkume ya mubango jothi Kenya Airlift Program ni mubango jurajo gutetheria aritoba Kenya kuthomera ndigiri mwanya cia masters nthigurune ya America. Kuigwatira kanya gaka no mwanka withiro uri na grade ya B plane gwitia kiri KCSE na second class honors kiri degree ya university. Uchiandikithia riongera mutandao jetu jwa www.kenyaairliftprogram.com. Ofisi chetu iri Royal Business Park 4th floor Njorincheke Street, Meru Town. Turingethi mukurukira 0703 509 493. The Kenya Airlift Program, empowering Kenyan students.
Atutonye bienine na ndikiri michezo ya FKF kienine kia Thika Stadium Gor Mahia ni kinyangite Posta Rangers Ngoru ijiri wa Kibugo na kiri mchezo jonge ntere Nyayo Stadium Bidco United Baura AFC Leopards Ngoru inya kwa ijiri.
Well, I think it was very much a game of two halves. I think overall performance-wise, probably our game against KCB was a more full 90-minute performance and we didn't win it. Today in the first half, we have to say Posta Rangers were on top. They dominated a lot of it. They were winning the second ball. We were too spread out. The spaces were too big in the midfield in the first half. We obviously made a couple of changes at half-time, bringing on Kavuchi and Boniface Amondi. And what that allowed us to do was go and press a bit more from the front. It meant that Posta couldn't play those direct balls, and it allowed our defensive line to tighten up a little bit and just compact the game. And I think the two of them had a big influence. Obviously, Kavuchi had the assist for the first goal, and then from that, the confidence grew. Posta really struggled to get back into the game, and yeah, I think it was a much better second half performance.
One thing I can say that it was a game of two halves, because I think first half we dominated the game well, but again, football is about taking your chances. We didn't take our chances. Second half, I think towards the end we played well, but again, and we had some opportunity. Again, we didn't take our opportunity. So God utilized their opportunity, and decidedly they won the game. Of course, we had a lot of incidences whereby we were building until we passed the defense line of the opponent, and I think we had and especially on the left side, we had so many opportunity. But again, decision making, it wasn't that good. But I think it's something that we are going to work on.
Tokire nkatho cha mwanya mutegeri kuona kanya kugwatanira na unikiri Weru Thaa Mugwanja Nteto ingi na njira indi kuniona charinga themwe na nusu kwendereka gitaga kega mbitagwa NTINYARI Kenya.